Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek for AI prompts, for creating AI prompts to create art. So since DeepSeek cannot create images itself, you cannot do them in the DeepSeek, but you can ask it to create a prompt for you to create an image, which you can later on paste into Copilot, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool that can generate images based on DALL-E. So the first thing is to say, create me a prompt. To generate an image, which I'll paste to and now we can just say what the image is about. It has to be realistic, complex, so the more specific you are, the better prompt it'll create. You need to be specific, provide as many details as you need, and you can also create it on your own, do anything with it, and just send the prompt. Then it'll answer with the prompt created. So as you can see, it creates. I don't think it should be as long, but let's try it out. So I'm gonna just simply copy it, then I'm gonna open ChatGPT in a moment. So here's my ChatGPT, as you can see, and now let's paste the prompt and send it. Then it'll generate the image. And as you can see, it has created the image, and the image actually looks really good. So the prompt was really great. You could have also just instead of copying and pasting it, you could tweak it up a bit, so detail the fact that the cat should be maybe ginger or something else. You can just change it on your own, and you can see this is how it works. So it works pretty great. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.